Hi, my name's Russell Van Syke, and this is my short film for media communications. Uh, Media is a communications outlet or tool you use to store, deliver information or data. The term refers to components of the mass media communications industry, such as print media, publishing, the news media, photographs, cinema, broadcasting, radio and television, digital media, and advertisement. Well, as I was experiencing the different jobs and prices a person would make per year, I have come to a decision of storytelling is a unique thing to me. Um, I can tell many stories, many things, but in video game design, which is my degree that I'm going for, storytelling has a lot to do with it. And a little bit of a deeper investigation, I have found this. And I will let it read for you to hear because I'm not that great of a reader. So I hope you enjoy.
Procedural storytelling in game design. Tanya X, short, Tarn Adams. This edited collection of chapters concerns the evolving discipline of procedural storytelling in video games. Games are an interactive medium, and this interplay between author, player, and machine provides new and exciting ways to create and tell stories. In each essay, practitioners of this art form demonstrate how traditional storytelling tools such as characterization, world building, theme, momentum, and atmosphere can be adapted to full effect using specific examples from their games. The reader will learn to construct narrative systems, write procedural dialogue, and generate compelling characters with unique personalities and backstory.
Now, to me, that makes a lot of sense because you can't have a good, focused video game without a good minded storytelling imagination. And I just want to say thank you for listening, and I'll have a great, great new year.